abaonia aiga ntubwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yetu nigo engale iyuirengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kindi cyose uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati ali aye chigage emerongibere na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe gwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yo akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya ouru superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya ouru complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
ya Getembe TV ritukure Ijumaa tariki 22 umutenyino oyo gatana gatatu mwako yoiga wechiri bubere 25 bwairire wiya omwancho muregere nendete atoire ribagerire abene gokwarigania ase Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira ire yobo ngeke kimaritukeriga mwaziri wetemi Moske Julius Mingose ogamba ari meye county ya Kisii gosora gongora gusi iri kurotota emirobero iya chagetiwe no muraiwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto Ekeonga asenchira yowe na togo chakani gwa abanyanyimbo kurugita sini yakeroka bata kirobotuki igoro yege kore kyogo ichania ase gotebekana abantu bane be amate eyemo umusacha morugyoye umwana oyo munyaroka oyure goso university nabo igo mochokoro obo obwate mitenye tato koro ase kinyoruka nyamakoroto igodi agesima ebunge aktutu masaba county ya Nyamira bakagire ko sambwa n'abantu batamanyiri obotuko bugo kirare rero charo oika koba ase ensemeyo abo bayera nyomba ngamona Rodrick Makini ankwenyi bwe miaka 55 nebere Jack Bochaberi Makini bwe miaka 50 na boigo Mary Makini bwe miaka 23 na boigo Prosto Makini bwe metinyi 3 ningana yeche yogo cyane mwancho muri kurende toigwe egatia barere kurasa ensemeyo.
Stella Wanyama, Deputy County Commissioner Masaba North. Tuko hapa Decimal Division, Nyamakoroto location, Nyamakoroto sub location. Kwanza kabisa ningependa kuarifu kwamba tumepatwa na janga kubwa sana hapa Nyamakoroto. Ni kisanga ambacho kimetushtua sisi wote kwa sababu kunakuwa na mauaji katika hii jamii ambayo tumesimama hapa tumekuja. Tuna suspect kwamba kuna watu walivamia hili boma usiku na wakachoma nyumba, na ndani ya hiyo nyumba kulikuwa na familia ya watu 4. Walikuwa 5. Tumepoteza watu 4, tumepoteza baba, tumepoteza mama, tumepoteza msichana wao mkubwa na mjukuu mtoto wa huyo msichana. Kulikuwa na msichana mwingine mdogo wa miaka 12 ambaye aliweza kuepuka ama kutoroka. Polisi wamekuja, mili imechomeka beyond recognition, na DCI officers wako hapa wanaanzisha uchunguzi, na tutawapea nafasi waweze kutuambia baadaye. Wakifanya uchunguzi watatuambia sababu ilikuwa nini, kwa sababu so far hatujajua what made these people to do this. Na pia ningependa kuwahimiza wananchi kwamba kama kuna mambo yoyote kwa jamii ambayo hamuelewani na majirani, ama hauelewani na ndugu yako, ama hauelewani na mtu yoyote, tafadhali kuchukua sheria mkononi ama kufanya jambo kama hili kuangamiza maisha ya watu si vizuri kabisa, kwa sababu uhai unatoka kwa Mungu, na kama kuna maneno watu wanakaa chini wanaongea, na ikishindikana kuna vifaa ama vyombo vya security, na pia kuna koti ambayo mnaweza suluhisha maneno yenu huko.
Mwancho muriane ngana yogo ichania na boigo koreta obuhaba kere eyamate gosabanto bagosamba abantu goikago kwa muri kwito polkapo kara ni go agenderete utwarigane robot yoru asenchira eri yobo ikrano Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere na boigo Chinsa inyecho botko bwarero ndochiko gochira ase enchira yobo ikrano na abonchurira bechiro ya kibirigo ni go ase ntundende besokirana kwemurunganiria enchira serikali county ya Nyamira ego ikirania obokoreri ase chire yo senchira etariengia abonchiri aba nigo bakwemurunganira chinyomba cyobo chenu ekyo cyechoire amache abulra sechire yo naboigo ase bakonera etugo yabo naboigo omuchando wogo icherana kwe ubi egento batebire kira barentre nonya na marweire abet osena na marweire mabe ayo agwateka korento isayo korento no bochabo korende nigo bamuboriro bumwaziri wo bonchire ase county Nyamira Bernard Maina nigo atebire merobiro nigo yabekiro na serikali ya county yo gochia kobaroseria osegoche kobekiranira amagani yabo na kone kyabuna ase bakorera obonchirire bwabo nagiyare
mochito obwate tagatage nyinge egotogeijire omwelti na chaiga na botra wase gosieki uno ne chire nona abachairman bachi kwano machairman mali kwanire severally lakini muri goto ibire robyeito
fanya biashara wa hapa Chwakali. Sasa jambo moja mimi nauliza ni hili, choo hatuna, kwa sababu zile choo ambazo ziko hapa za county zimejaa. Wafanya biashara saa ile wamekuja kama leo siku ya soko, wakitaka kujisaidia hakuna mahali pa kujisaidia. Wakienda mahali kwenye maduka ya wenyewe wanafukuzwa huko.
Kalokoro kuturetu mumiza koranje nduke birigo karato bogerera ngo cyagera yani twagosoroira maduka mangi twana korora ngenjenda correspond go Jesu tuli bono tindati una koirora mejanderi abande bakwani rero igo twatebire so bwengene kaulia ya mongaki ekero biri byonsi byaragiru ebibyatebirwe nalyo ora tuma abantu goja bakurusyosu na ndi ntutaiti kuna koiro
ili Italia nempana maina mwaziri uteneta mangana biashara za kaunti ya Nyamira nindi no mokogote banga ati budget y'umwaka oyo wetera maoni yaitu collective zina views twa nyorete kuba 790 ito begete budget yoko kole bintu byonsi yoko solve ma problem ya mache kibirigo yoko solve mangana ye livestock market usechiro ye tugo ekera ntugete kibesa kiko gorogolemo asepokunganya ba biashara baligo ito begete kibesa yoko gure pambu ya mache na kubekaga solar light bya kubura kitange kinya asechiro ya kibirigo na entali kiro ya kibirigo yoka ikiro cheito kya Nyamira nko improve infrastructure ekegera su mwako ndubugete kibese process ya procurement mbono ya cyakire go togosaba patience nga asama amakega go kibocha usase metinyi makego kibocha morore a big thing ase kikiro cheito
Mwaziri boborindi boime omoske Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomanigo amochire chibura boru echechane gatugwe asegetige chinde gya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport retkuregoro chingaki chokwarigani wakomura weki makire gya DCP omoske rigatigashagwa koro ensi America murayoyo nigo arigani tugwe nerombe yababwatani baye abo kubwatikana no kuyaliganiwa kwabo no mulikyo monene bwekyameke gya DCP Moske Clovers Marara.
We witnessed yesterday points to what I said earlier, that misuse of young people or sometimes hiring goons to just come and cause terror is an issue of great concern to us in the security sector. And so, as I said, investigations must be done to find out who exactly organized them and for what purpose. Again, sometimes because of we don't understand the magnitude of or we are not informed about the plans of the political actors, sometimes the police are just on standby to see whether there is any problem. Like yesterday, police were generally on standby because there was no clear notification to them about what event was going to happen and what routes. I was, for example, very saddened that political activists were going to play games at our airport. I mean, you could see people want to invade inside the airport, and that is a very serious issue. The airport is a protected area. It's not a place to play the kind of politics that we saw. And you saw, people entering inside the airport, just with a lot of razzmatazz for absolutely nothing, for pure zero political value, zero economic value, zero PR, whatever it was being done, it was just useless. And for it to be done inside the airport, it's just totally unacceptable. And that's why we were saying, if the team was intended to do good for our country, they would have worked with the police. They would say, we are welcoming our visitor. Can you give us a designated area we want to welcome? Can our vehicles be parked in a particular manner? Can we be escorted to the place where we want to have a rally? And then everything would have been fine. But this idea of ignoring the importance of security sector in terms of such events is totally unacceptable. And I remember I told you 2 days ago that any person who wants to have their political activities, we will facilitate once notification is given, and we will deploy the necessary, a good number of the police officers to provide protection.
Mokonyi bomorai bwense Professor Pram Kithora Kindiki nigo aigereire omorobero bwekisemi OCBC asogosira ebyagwa ase aboroki bare inse omorobero yo korangana Kindiki omorobero yo nigo oraigore chinchera chinyinge ekyaboroki baratumike eria koegenderia na bogi machingaki bakole chiskuru ase boigo aigi ahererete igati yobuya omorobero yo.
I can tell you the benefits of the new competence-based education and training over the old curriculum we have. And education is, and time will not I can tell you the benefits of the new competence-based education and training over the old curriculum we had. There are so many benefits in early childhood education, in primary education, secondary education, tertiary education, and even university. But I don't have time to go through the benefits in each stage. Let me just pick one of the most consequential benefits that I see in the new CBET that has been introduced under the administration of President Ruto. The CBT has perfected the transition from junior secondary school to senior secondary school into university. So that, unlike the 844, unlike the CBC, the way it was envisaged, that students will study up to 12 subjects up to high school and then they go to university. The way 844 had so many subjects for secondary school students, we have now decided in the CEBT curriculum, there's competence-based education and training. The curriculum now says that once you are finished with
Wancha murigera na rayo korase Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchira yo bunga chengoro wakati ni Nyaboga veri Nyaboga koraso muna wo imanyiririo na wo makwis kore studia kawenera kwanekia chibichana mario gingo ikirachira senchira yo ekran taro borigere borobia tomra na Chinsa iko
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama bati ali aye chigage emerongibere na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yo akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya ouru superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya ouru complex imiyumuchuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Mama Rosa.
Jirani.
Mama Rosa, nimefika hapa kwako.
Karibu sana jirani yangu.
Naendeleaje?
Tuko salama.
Mbona mzee analala chini hapa na analia?
Mzee analia, mzee ni mgonjwa. Mzee amekaa nashughulikia yeye, nimempeleka hospitali, hata sasa anashinda ugonjwa wake, nimpeleke wapi sasa?
Sasa shida ya mzee ni gani? Huyu mzee hajazeeka. Shida yake ni gani unamwacha hivi?
Mzee wangu mara ni mgongo, mara ni kifua, ukikuja mara magoti, mara miguu, hata kuinua hivi juu huwezi inua. Sasa nimeshindwa nifanye nini jirani?
Wewe usikie hata redio ikitangaza juu ya hospitali inaitwa Nuga Best.
Nekene enya gitari ya Nuga Best nero yuka ebwate okubwa wokorubu wenya wetere chimashini chekerero kurwa sinseria South Korea nuga best nigo babire bako wenya amarwire ao ayiwa gendere ko bagagucanda mwanya bantu unabono uburwire buri bwa mauga yani arthritis uburwire bwo mugongo watia ulcers amarwire yenda onsi egati amarwire ande nigo bako batukubu wene buiga bago tumeka chimashini chekerero nigo bago